Hey everyone, my name is Robert Segovia and I'm the Student Ministries Pastor at the Wadena Alliance Church and also the coordinator for the Skit event. We are excited to have you join us for this event and it's going to be great. The place is sold out, but we want you to come informed so you're not wondering what's taking place. So here are a few things that we want you to know. Like I mentioned before, this event is completely sold out. There are no more tickets available or seats, so if you show up without a ticket, unfortunately you cannot come into the event as all seats are taken up. The second thing is, because all seats are taken up and it's general admission, we are asking if you want a good seat, show up early. The doors open at 6:30 p.m. so if you want to get a good seat, make sure and show up with enough time. Since there will be people who will be waiting for that good seat, we are also encouraging you not to put stuff in seats, reserving it for somebody that is coming later. So we are asking, as soon as you get in, pack in, as we are going to have a packed house. The Wadena Memorial Auditorium is located behind the elementary school. So make sure and go to the back door entrance, and the other thing is there is also limited parking. So make sure, and once again, plan to get here ahead to get a good parking spot. As you show up to the event, there will be a place where it says line starts here. After that, there will be 3 signs at the top of the doors where it's going to say what ticketing number you have to go through. In the bottom of your ticket, in the back, it says CW 2018 WAC and 3 digits behind it that identify the door that you're going to have to go through. So make sure and look to the top and make sure that it's in the range between. Once you go through that line, the person taking the tickets will tear the bottom. You're going to go a little bit further and they're going to give you a second ticket. That just identifies where you purchase a ticket, whether you were one of the first 100 tickets sold online, whether you purchased individual tickets, anything 10 or less, or 10 or more would be group tickets. It's going to identify it at the top of the door, and with that being said, make sure and go through that. At the end of the Skit Guys event, we're going to have a drawing, and depending on what ticket you get, you're entered for something different. So make sure and pay attention to the top of the door. Before the Skit Guys go on stage, we are going to have a great time of worship. We are going to be singing some songs that you might be familiar with. But just in case you aren't, here are some of the songs that we're doing.
When you lost your life so I could find it here.
After the event is over, the Skit Guys are going to be having a meet and greet time. Make sure and listen closely for the details if you want to be part of that meet and greet. We have limited space, so with that being said, we want to be able to form a line in a way that people that are not staying for the meet and greet can actually exit out of the auditorium as quickly as possible. Once again, we are excited to have you joining us for the event this Saturday. One last thing that I ask is, if you know of anybody else that is coming to this event, make sure and share this video with them. This will help them to be informed to what's taking place. We are excited to have you here and can't wait for Saturday to come. See you then.